So what is Auf bau principle? Bottom-up rule of filling orbitals. It means that we are going to fill the orbitals in increasing order of their energies. According to the Auf bau principle, the electron occupies the subshell in increasing order of their energies, or n plus L rule. So friends, let's see the energy ordering of the orbitals. As you can see in the diagram that the filling starts from the low energy towards the high energy. So we will first fill the 1s subshell because it's having least energy. Then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and then 4s instead of 3d subshell. So why we fill first 4s subshell instead of 3d subshell? It is because the 4s having a less energy as compared to the 3d subshell. Therefore, 4s is filled first with electrons. Similarly, you can see here that the 5s orbital is filled first with electron instead of 4d subshell. The reason is the same, that the 5s having a less energy as compared to the 4d subshell. So friends, here the question is that how can we find out the energy of the orbitals? It's very simple. We can easily find out the energy of any orbital by using n plus L rule. So what is n plus L rule? According to this rule, a subshell with the lowest n plus L value has the lowest energy and filled first with electrons. When two or more subshells has the same n plus L value, then fill the one that has the lowest n value. Friends, as you know that the 4s subshell filled first with electrons, then 3d subshell because of less energy. Here is a proof. Here I use n plus L rule to find out the energy of 4s and the 3d subshell. Friends, look at here, applying the n plus L rule for 4s subshell. Now by putting the value of n here, value of n is for 4s subshell is 4, whereas the value of L for s subshell is, we know that for s subshell L is equal to 0. So put this value here, we get 4. So the energy of the 4s subshell is 4. Now come to the value or energy of the 3d subshell. By applying the n plus L rule, we know here that the n value is 3 plus the L value for d subshell is 2. So it's equal to 5. Now look at here, the energy of the 4s subshell, that is equal to 4, and the 3d subshell, that is equal to 5. So it's proof from here that 4s subshell having a least energy as compared to the 3d subshell. Therefore, the 4s subshell is filled first with electron, then the 3d subshell. Confused? So let's find out the n plus L rule for the first 4 subshells. So when n is equal to 1 and L is equal to 0, then according to the n plus L rule, the value of the energy for the first subshell is equal to 1. It means that it's having the least energy. When n is equal to 2 and L is equal to 1 for P subshell, so the n plus L rule is equal to 3. So its energy is comparatively high as compared to the S subshell. Now come to the n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 2 for D subshell. So the value of n plus L or the energy is equal to 5. And when n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3 for F subshell, so the value of n plus L is equal to 7. It means that it's having a greatest amount of energy. So friends, the question is that what we can do when two or more subshells having the same n plus L value or energy. Look at here that the 3D, 4P and 5S having the same n plus L value, that is equal to 5. So what we can do in this case? Simply fill first that have the less n value. So according to this rule, we can fill first the 3D, then 4P and at last 5S subshell.